Prevention of transmission of pain beyond the dorsal horn. Option A, peripheral nerve injury. Option B, gait control theory. Option C, spinal cord injury. Option D, opaque theory. And answer is option B, gait control theory. Now let's learn what is gait control theory. Gait control theory is a pain theory that was proposed by Yshak and Wall in 1965. The theory suggests that the perception of pain is not solely dependent on the sensory input of the noxious stimuli, but also on the interaction between different neural pathways that either promote or inhibit the transmission of the pain signals. According to the theory, there is a gate mechanism in the spinal cord that modulate the flow of pain signals from the periphery to the brain. The gate is controlled by complex interplay between sensory fibers that transmission pain signals and inhibitory neurons that suppresses the transmission of these signals. When the gate is opened, the pain signals are transmitted to the brain and perceived as the pain. However, when the gate is closed, the transmission of the pain signals is inhibited and the perception of the pain is reduced or eliminated. The gait can be modulated by a variety of factors including physical and psychological stimuli. For example, stimulating non-nociceptive sensory fibers such as touch or vibration can activate the inhibitory neuron and close the gate, thereby reducing the transmission of the pain signals. The gate control theory has important clinical implementation for pain management. One of the key strategies for pain relief is to activate the inhibitory neurons to close the gate using the techniques such as massage, acupuncture, or TENS. These therapies are believed to work stimulating non-nociceptive sensory fibers and activating the inhibitory neurons to reduce the transmission of the pain signals. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment box.